Joshua chapter 12. And these are the kings of the land which the sons of Israel did away with, and inherited their land on the other side of the Jordan, of the east son of the ravine of Arnon unto Mount Hermon, and all the wilderness of the east. Sihon, the king of the Amorites, who dwelt in Heshbon, dominating from Aroer, which is by the river bank in the ravine of Arnon, according to the middle of the ravine, and the half of Gilead unto Jabbok the rushing stream, the borders of the sons of Ammon, and the wilderness unto the sea of Kinneroth, according to the east, and unto the sea of the wilderness, the sea of salts from the east, by the way according to Beth Jeshemoth, and from Timon under Ashdoth Pisgah, and the border of Og king of Bashan, which was left behind from out of the giants, dwelling in Ashtaroth and in Edrei, ruling from Mount Hermon, and from Salcah, and all Bashan, unto the borders of the Geshurite, and Maacathite, and the half of Gilead, unto the borders of Sihon king of Heshbon. Moses the servant of the Lord and the sons of Israel struck them. And Moses the servant of the Lord gave it by inheritance to Reuben and Gad, and to the half-tribe of Manasseh. And these are the kings of the Amorites, which Joshua did away with, and the sons of Israel, on the other side of the Jordan, by west of Baalgad, in the plain of Lebanon, and unto Mount Halak, ascending unto Seir. And Joshua gave it to the tribes of Israel as an inheritance according to their lot, in the mountain, and in the plain, and in the wilderness, and in Ashdod, and in the wilderness and Negev, the Hittite, and the Amorite, and the Canaanite, and the Perizzite, and the Hivite, and the Jebusite, the king of Jericho, 1, and the king of Ai, which is neighboring Bethel, 1, the king of Jerusalem, 1, the king of Hebron, 1, the king of Jarmuth, 1, the king of Lachish, 1, the king of Eglon, 1, the king of Gezer, 1, the king of Deber, 1, the king of Geder, 1, the king of Hormah, 1, the king of Arad, 1, the king of Libnah, 1, the king of Adullam, 1, the king of Makkedah, 1, the king of Bethel, 1, the king of Tappuah, 1, the king of Hepher, 1, the king of Aphek, 1, the king of Lasharon, 1, the king of Madon, 1, the king of Hazor, 1, the king of Meron, 1, the king of Akshaph, 1, the king of Taanach, 1, the king of Megiddo, 1, the king of Kadesh, 1, the king of Jokneam of Carmel, 1, the king of Dor, the one of Nephador, 1, the king of Goim of Gilgal, 1, the king of Tirzah, 1. All these kings were 31.